Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will discuss regional parties in Indian politics. Regional parties have emerged as significant players in the Indian political landscape, exerting influence at local, state, and national levels, especially in the era of coalition politics. Exploring their features, classifications, rise, roles, and dysfunctions offers insights into their impact on governance and democracy. Features of regional parties. Regional parties typically operate within specific states or regions, limiting their electoral base to localized areas. They advocate for regional interests, often aligning with cultural, religious, linguistic, or ethnic identities. Their agenda revolves around addressing local or regional concerns rather than national issues. These parties aspire to gain political control at the state level, with little interest in central governance. Many seek greater autonomy for states within the Indian Union. Classification of regional parties. Regional parties can be categorized into different groups based on their origin, outlook, and political focus. Cultural or ethnic identity-based parties include Shiromani Akali Dal, DMK, AIADMK, and Shiv Sena. Some parties have an all-India outlook but lack a national electoral base, such as Samajwadi Party and Nationalist Congress Party. Others emerge from splits within national parties, like Biju Janata Dal and Rashtriya Janata Dal. Additionally, personalized parties, revolving around charismatic leaders, include examples like Lok Janshakti Party and Haryana Vikas Party. Rise of regional parties. The emergence of regional parties in India stems from various factors, including cultural and ethnic diversity, economic disparities, historical legacies, and leadership charisma. Factionalism within larger parties, coupled with the role of caste, religion, and tribalism in politics, has further fueled their growth. Role of regional parties. Regional parties play several significant roles in Indian politics. They provide governance at the state level and challenge one-party dominance, promoting multi-party democracy. These parties influence center-state relations and demand greater autonomy while enhancing political competition and grassroots participation. By offering voters diverse choices based on regional interests and raising political consciousness, they contribute to parliamentary democracy and expose partisan actions by central authorities. Moreover, they play crucial roles in coalition governments at the national level. Dysfunctions of regional parties. Despite their importance, regional parties exhibit certain negative aspects. They may prioritize regional over national interests, hindering national integration, and fuel divisive forces like regionalism, casteism, and communalism. Additionally, they often fail to resolve interstate disputes and engage in corruption, nepotism, and populism, compromising governance standards. Moreover, their influence on national policy-making based on regional demands sometimes comes at the expense of broader interests, leading to administrative inefficiencies. Thank you.